Once upon a time, oh yeah, one freezing winter morning. Once upon a time, one freezing winter morning. Kwakukhona umvundla lontelezi. They made a plan to keep themselves warm. Waqala umvundla wathi masidlala umaphekana sokhena uqala mina aqala ukhwezela umlilo nje afudumala amanzi wakhala umvundla kuNteleja wathi yena mvulela Nteleja mvulela mvulela Nteleja mvulela mvulela Nteleja mvulela mvulela.
Was Nteleja stand to get inside the pot. Ngena Nteleja. You put a big stone on top of the lid so that Nteleja could not force himself out. Phela mngani wami omahlakaniphe nangu yakhwezela khwezela Nteleja wakhala wemvula mvule yena wakhwezela chana nyamazana yami chana nyamazana yami Pemfele kumfefe awuboni mina ngifuna ukukudla nje mngani wami. Vundla wanted to make a meal out of Nteleja. Watch out for our modern day tricksters. Omahlakaniphe. Woqaphela mngani wami. Woqaphela mngani wami ukuphila umuntu obuyanjena njena ubuyanjena njena njena uzokhwezela.
Sas